Happy birthday shoutout story on Instagram. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get happy birthday shoutout story on Instagram stories. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, first of all, just go to Play Store. If you're facing problem for this, just go to Play Store and then search for Instagram. Okay, after searching for Instagram, here you can see make sure to update your Instagram. Okay, you just need to click on update, and then after updating your Instagram, what you need to do is that go to settings on your device, and then here you have to click on the software updates or system updates option, and then check whether your device is asking for any kind of update or not. If your device is asking for any kind of software update, make sure to update your software. And then now here you just need to go to Instagram and then click on the story plus icon. Here on the top you can see plus icon, simply click on it, and then here click on camera, and then this type of interface will be pop up. Just you need to click on this create option. Okay, and then here you can see this type of interface will be pop up. So the next one, you can see the next, swipe it, next one, and then here you have to take someone. For example, let me just take one of my friend, and here you can see click on try it, and then just you can try it by giving the sticker also. So this is how you can fix happy birthday shout out on Instagram story. I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.